this forever looking at you now. I can't get enough. I don't know how you did it, boy, you got me spinning.
Hello everyone and welcome to today's video, and in today's video I'm going to be trying out the Colourpop Cosmetics Aquarian eyeshadow and lip bundle. Is it? Yeah, lip bundle. Yeah, I don't know what the proper term is. They have this whole entire thing on the website where each zodiac sign has like a makeup palette and then has a lip bundle that goes with it. So it's something that I thought was really cool because I'm like, oh my god, everyone has one. That's so cute. I love that. And during Aquarian season, because I'm Aquarius, I wanted to like be extra and celebrate it, but I didn't get the chance to do that just because I procrastinate, and I'm sorry about that. So originally I was going to do a whole bunch of different brands and their like Aquarian palettes, but I just didn't get a chance to do that because I got lazy, and B, that's a lot of money, and C, that's a lot of time, and I'm a busy gal. Listen, it's Aquarius season. I'm literally just here to drink wine and like relax. So we have our lip thingy, and we have this little cute note about thinking outside the cosmos, which is honestly Aquarians, because we're kind of like creative. We're so creative like that. Holy, this has the Aquarius symbol right there, and I think that's so cute. We have this, which is the Crystal Clear Aquarius Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. This is a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be, so I'm kind of interested to see how this works out. And I'm also like, shoot, I just realized there's only 4 colors in this, and I low-key forgot what the colors were. I know one's blue and like gold, but I low-key forgot the others, so I have no idea what I'm doing for my look. Okay, and this is the eyeshadow palette. It has 4 colors, which is Free Spirit, Eccentric, On the Contrary, and The Greater Good. And it's really cute. We have this really cute, honestly, I would use this a lot. Like, it's a very nice transition shade, and then we have a nice chocolate brown as like, kind of like base. And then we have this really crazy blue, and then this like cool gray situation going on, which makes me kind of nervous because I don't really use a lot of colors in my looks. Okay, we're just gonna kind of do this idea that I have where I'm just gonna do a whole entire chunk of my eye in one color. So let's kind of see how this goes. So I'm gonna be taking the blue shade, which is right here, and I'm just gonna take it on any like flat brush I have, and I'm gonna try my best to do like a cat eye shape with this. I know it's not eyeshadow, but I'm just gonna really try this out because I'm experimenting here. I don't know what I'm doing.
Chasing ways to have it to myself just like I should, yeah. Controlling all of my thoughts, I want you on my body. Turning me on, baby, you know you got me. Got me tripping over all of these.
Okay, let's take a minute because this is so pigmented. I'm like blown away by how easy it was to apply this shade, and I'm like super excited to do the next part. So for the inner part of my eye, I'm gonna try to go into this shade right here, which is called Free Spirit, and I'm just gonna try to do like a gradient between this dark blue and this like silvery kind of teal color. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm using the same brush again, and I'm just gonna try to get the spaces matched out and then go in with another brush to blend in where those 2 colors meet. So let's go do that.
I want you on my body, turning me on, baby, you know you got me. Got me tripping.
So I'm going to take a little break just to go and take an angled brush and sharpen up my lines. I'm just going to be using my foundation or my concealer and just kind of getting this to the shape that I want it to be. And then I will come back and we can continue on with this look. So see you in a second. So I went and I just fixed up my eyes a little bit, and I also did a little bit of contouring. We're going to pretend like this is a normal amount of contour. I ran out of my normal shade, so I had to go a little bit darker, and I definitely can tell. But that's okay. We're fine. I'm just going to order some more. So I'm going to just finish up the rest of my face, and then we can start doing the finishing touches on the eyes, and then I will come back with the completed outfit and everything that will make me look amazing, gorgeous, and beautiful. I'm going to go into the Sweetie Pie bronzer that is from Too Faced, and honestly, like I said, like, you know, this is my favorite bronzer. I say this every single time. I'm probably like really annoying with this, but I'm going to be honest, favorite bronzer. Just taking it on a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna put this everywhere I put my contour, which is my 3. So let's go do that.
When you touch me like that, stick around, swear when we're together, heaven's on the ground.
So I'm gonna now go into my blush, and for blush, I'm just gonna go into the Tarte blush in the shade Risque, and really just put this on my cheeks. You know, I don't like to put, okay, controversial. I don't like to put blush on the apples of my cheeks because I feel like because of like my face shape, it really makes myself look very blocky. So I always put it here just so it kind of like makes my face have like a rounder edge, because I have like a very, in my opinion, I have like a very sharp face. Like it's very angular, and I try to like diminish those angles by like carving them down so they don't look like this, they look like curves. So yeah, just gonna go do that. Once again, just taking it on the same brush, and I'm just gonna put it at the high points of my cheeks. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna actually go into the R35 brush, which is this nice Morphe brush, and I'm gonna go into the Urban Decay Beach Bronzer in the shade Bronzed, and really just take this, and I'm going to etch out like my nose that I want to put down. So I'm just gonna really go down the sides, but I'm not gonna put anything like here. I'm just gonna do it more so like straight down, just to like try to get that shape going. So let's go do that.
Controlling all of my thoughts, I want you on my body, turning me on, baby, you know you got me.
Okay, I know I look crazy. Trust me, trust me. We're trying something new with the nose. I'm tired of my nose being my nose, so we're gonna do a different nose. That makes no sense, but okay. I'm gonna go now into my Huda Beauty setting powder, which is, I just spilled a whole bunch of it. I just spilled a whole bunch of it. So I'm going to basically just take this on my blender, and I'm going to put it right here and down my nose, just so I can bake those certain spots, so that way we can try to lighten our face, because right now there's a lot of very harsh lines there, and we want to try to get rid of that. So let's see if we can just make everything a little bit more subtler.
Going back, got it bad. Spinning down, head over my...
Now that we've got that done, we're gonna like kind of like continue on with our face. So I'm gonna go into my eyes. So I'm gonna be doing my eyeliner, and for eyeliner, I'm just gonna be doing something really simple, really, like, honestly, just really simple. So I'm gonna do what I normally do. I usually go into the Sugar Pill Bulletproof Eyeshadow, and I take my setting spray, and I have like the little dish on the top, like the lid. Get a little setting spray, and then you get a little bit of your brush, and it makes like a paste, and that is how I do my eyeliner. I'm just going to extend it from the middle of my eye all the way to the ends of the blue, just so that way it kind of has that like same swoop feeling that this has. But I'm not gonna make it curvy like how this is. I'm just gonna make it go instead of like. That's the best way I can describe it. Just watch, girl.
I can't fight you. I'm spinning down, head over my heart, turning inside out. Love me in the dark, looking at you now. I can't get enough when...
So I did a little bit of adjustment to the look. So we are now going to take the NYX white liquid liner, and I'm simply going to put this above my eye.
Get enough, I don't know how you did it, boy, you got me spinning round your bedroom.
So with the M432 brush, I'm gonna go back into this palette. I'm thinking about going into, I'm gonna go into this brown shade right here and put this on the under part of my eye, and really just keep it close to the lash line as possible.
Baby, you know you got me. Got me tripping over all of these lines. I can't lie. Yeah, I'm spinning.
And now I'm going into the M213 brush and I'm going to put it into the blue shade right here and just put this blue in the middle part of my under eye.
Stick around, swear when we're together, heaven's on the ground.
So I'm almost done. I'm gonna put the finishing touches on, which is my wig and my lashes. Once I have those on, then we will come back and completely finish up this look. So I'll see you all in a moment. I have been through so much in the past 2 hours. I literally was fighting a wig to try to get it to look cute for this video. And I literally started filming again, but forgot to click record. So as you can tell, 'tis stressful, but that's okay. I'm also out of wine, so I'm gonna go pour myself some more because, you know, we just chilling. What the heck was that? Y'all, it is not my day. It is just not my day. And I just spilled on myself. Okay, wow. Perfect. Let's just take a moment to breathe because a bitch needs a deep breath. Okay, so I am here to finish up this look. Literally, I'm just like, let's get me out of here. Like, but I do look cute. I will say I like the makeup. The wig, not so much, but the makeup, yeah. And the outfit, come on, the outfit, it's like, it's giving, but I don't know what it's giving. Oh shit. This is really like thick. This is really thick. This is the Colourpop Luxe Gloss. Oh, it's a gloss. Dang, okay, honestly, I really like this packaging. This is really cute, and I like how it has like the Aquarius symbol on it. That's honestly really neat. Wow, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Okay, so I'm gonna take the NYX matte lip liner in the shade Whipped Caviar, and I'm going to just put this on, like, just lining my lips, and then I'm gonna put this on the inside. So I'm not gonna really use a lipstick today, which is weird because I feel like I always use lipstick, and these lips are not made to go out there just looking like this. Like, they need like a plumper, they need like a lip scrub, or like a matte lipstick.
Up one, looking, you could read me like a story. Controlling all of my thoughts, I want you on my body, turning me on, baby.
I don't know how I feel about the gloss, but honestly, it smells really good. Like, I think the gloss is nice. Oh, wait, hold up. Okay, the gloss feels really nice. My only complaint is when you put your lips together, it's really goopy. It is a gloss, so obviously you can't drink. I don't know what I was doing. Like, I don't know why I thought I was doing something by drinking something while I have gloss on. That's literally not it. That has been me trying out the Colourpop Cosmetics Aquarius collection. Hopefully next year or like next Aquarius season, I can like do a lot more, try a lot more, be a lot more. And what do I think? So I don't know why this turned into a review, but it just is because I'm like honestly like 2 or 3 glasses in and we're feeling it. Like, we're feeling good. I really do appreciate the eyeshadow. I think it was actually really nice, and this blue shade is so buttery. Like, if you just like touch these shades, like, well, not so much these ones, but like the mattes were actually, scratch that. The metallics are honestly really easy to use. Like, there's just like a consistency. However, this one is just so easy to use. It's eccentric. I don't know, there's something about it where it's like, it feels like it's such a loose pigment that it applies so well to the skin, and it's definitely very buildable, but it does have a lot of fallout. But other than that, I didn't have any really big problems with this palette. I thought the colors were really pigmented, and I thought it was really nice. For this, I'm gonna be honest, I don't see any like gold flakes. Like, when you look at me, you're like, there's sparkles in your lips. No, you're like, no, where are the sparkles? The sparkles are not here. We were told there would be gold flakes or gold sparkles. Side note, they should make a lip gloss with gold flakes in it. That'd be really fun. Because I'm a genius. I'm gonna do that. But yeah, I don't really see any of like the gold flakes in it. Let me give it a double look. Like, I feel like it's hard to see sparkly stuff inside lip glosses, only because I feel like lip glosses are already like shiny and sparkly, that like when there's already the added sparkle of like a shimmer or a micro glitter, it's really hard to tell because you're just like, it's already glossy. It's like hard to differentiate. So unless it's like a different color or like a very vibrant color, I feel like it's very hard to notice it. Damn. So that has been me trying all of this out and doing this really cute Aquarius inspired makeup look. If you like what you see, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, or you can go down to the links below where you can see links to all my other videos. There's always something fun down there, so just go check it out. And last but not least, please do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Mwah.